Hi, welcome. In this course, you will learn about React, the most popular JavaScript library right now. Nowadays, almost every website you visit is probably built with React. React is a popular JavaScript library used to build user interfaces. Companies like Twitter, Netflix, and PayPal use it to build their front end. This is a fundamental course in which you will learn the most important aspects of React. You will learn the core concepts of React and concepts like testing, data fetching, and routing. So let's get started. Before we get started, there are a few things which you must know. React is a JavaScript library. So in order to work with React, you need to know some fundamentals of JavaScript. We'll be using the ECMAScript 6 or ES6 syntax throughout the course. So it would be helpful if you know ES6. If not, that's okay. You can still follow up with the course. We'll be also using Node.js mainly to install some packages via npm or Node Package Manager. And some of the basic stuff you should also know is HTML and CSS. That is it. That is all you need to get started with React.